Hey fam, Larato Nxumalo is on the news. She's under fire for embarrassing her husband. But before we get into that, there's an emotional Utando Nestembu uncut clip from episode 5, where Musa is expressing his deep disappointment and frustrations regarding his son Mpumelelo, also reflecting on the vision he has built for his family. On the clip, he's even saying Mayeni records him and she's the reason he and Mpumelelo are not okay. However, before we even go further, what I've realized about Babake is that in his world, everyone else is wrong but him. He's forever blaming other people but never take responsibility for anything. Thus far, I've never seen him sit and genuinely hold himself accountable for anything.
Umpumelelo noma wakhe ba umuntu oyedwa. Umayeni what I've discovered ukuthi mina uyangirecorda. Adlulisele Mpumelelo. Kusho ukuthi she's turning against Mpumelelo. Me. So Mpumelelo mengangifuni uma wakhe wenza ukuthi kube kanjalo.
Yo.
Ngithe nje ngikhuluma noMpumelelo wathi yazi baba ngicela ungakhulumi kakhulu because wena munye umuntu omkhathalele umakhuma.
You see this gender, fear them.
And kunezinto oyishilo wena baba ukhuluma noma uthi uzenzela mina. Ngibonile ukuthi lezo zinto uzisho ngoba ubrag. Hayi. Ngase ngiyazi hoxisa mina ekutheni ayikho into engisazoyikhuluma noMpumelelo. Ayikho futhi into engizoyikhuluma noma wakhe ngalolu daba. uMpumelelo uyingane yami ekufanele akwenze uyokwenza kodwa uma efuna ukwenza mina angisenawo amazwi namandla okumtshela ukufanele enzeni.
My friend,
uma ngabe ethatha i-decision yongangivusela umuzi ngoba etshelwa abanye abantu akukho engakwenza, akukho futhi engizokwenza kokuzama.
I come for you, Lord.
Uyabona uMpumelelo is not just a son, umuntu nje. Lo muzi mangushiya fanele ngushiye esandleni sakhe.
my friend.
Ngisebenzile mina ngakha lo muzi ngamfaka naye ngamnikeza izinto eziningi but it's fine because siyobona mangabe ngingasekho ukuthi I tried. Ngesibone manje ngoba yonke into engiyikhuluma wrong.
Firstly, I don't like seeing him cry, right? I don't like kids who make their parents cry either. But Mpumelelo is the monster he himself created. And I hope deep down in his soul he knows this truth at least. Him saying Mayeni is the one turning Mpumelelo against him and that she even goes an extra mile and records him, I found that amusing. I found that funny. Because I literally had to force myself to picture Mayeni, a mother, recording the husband to please the son. On to Larato Nxumalo, before we get into all this nonsense that she did online, I want you all to remember that Lerato shared her husband initially. She would feature him on her socials and stuff, on her lives and stuff like that, right? That was until she decided she didn't want to share him anymore. And we were like, okay, we understand this is your life, this is your husband, this is your marriage. It's absolutely understandable that you don't want to share this man anymore. But since the internet doesn't forget, at one point people were like, okay, let's unveil this man's face. And they did just that. If I remember correctly, it was Musa Kaula who came out unveiling this man's face once again. And you'll also remember that after that, blogs and us entertainment YouTubers, we started talking about this thing. We started making this news. And this man's face trended for a moment. Then she came back later threatening to sue, sending lawyers to blogs and other YouTubers, right? But now the very same Lerato was on a live sharing with the world intimate details of their marriage, which is what her husband's underwear. Yes, you heard me right. Her husband's underwear she shared with the world. Now I'm like, girl, showing the world his underwear when you hide his face doesn't make sense to me, really. You might as well stop hiding his face if you're comfortable enough to share his inner garments with the world. If it comes that easy to you, you might as well unveil his face again.
Why ungakwazi ukwasha i-under? Why ungakwazi ukwasha i-under? I-under yakho uzoyiwashela bani? Abafana bayakuncika. Like all the unders, I have to put them in the washing machine because I'm fucking crazy. I'm not gonna be washing all these unders, me, with my hands. I'm fucking crazy. Child, this is too much. This is just way too much for me. I was not built for this shit.
And people crushed her for this, even though there were some who were like, oh, we get you, girl, we completely understand you. This was me in my first year of marriage. Hey, 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 ha, ha, ha. We understand this is funny. We are laughing. He, he, ha, ha, ha. You know, there were those who were like, God, are you serious? Showing it to us is wild. Why do people get so comfortable that they share everything with us? I'm so embarrassed on her behalf. He does so much for her to be doing this. Telling us is lack of respect for him. And honestly, I must say, while I understand people do anything and everything for content these days, this had no business being on the internet. This is something that should have been discussed privately with her husband. Even if it was a joke, it should have been laughed at privately between her and her husband. And that's just me. That's just my opinion. There's a limit, I feel, to content creation. You don't make people laugh at the expense of your spouse. And the thing that bugs me the most about this is, in the future, when the same people throw it back in her face and use this against her, she won't like it at all. Unless, of course, she doesn't mind people making fun of her husband. Unless, of course, she doesn't mind people looking at her husband as that guy who lives around his dirty black underwear. Yikes. This really left somewhat of a bitter taste in my mouth because I'm like, oh, what do you mean? What is this? How are you going to feel in the future when these very same people use this against you? Some things are off limits, really. But hey, let's continue this in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.